First day of the workshop.
It was
Yes.
You spent 5 hours with me today, correct?
Correct.
Yes.
Did
Got a
it,
bunch of
Got a lot more questions.
Actually, yeah, what else?
did it feel like 5 hours?
no.
I'm so happy, super excited to actually have each and every one of y'all in here. I cannot wait to continue our journey together. Each and every one of y'all have massive opportunities. The people like you, the ones that take chances, the ones that bet on themselves, y'all are the ones that change lives. The same way that you feel like your life was impacted or changed today. Kathy, sweetheart, why are you crying? I love you.
No, it just feels like I have my family back. I lost my entire family. They're all gone.
All right, guys, give it up for Kathy.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I got
much love, hon. Much
emotional.
love. Much love. We feel for you, hon.
I'm sorry.
No, sweetheart, listen, again, you're apologizing, right? But right now, this is why I do what I do. So you give me purpose. You give me something to fight for. Does that make sense? So you shouldn't be saying sorry. I should be saying thank you, right? And that's the thing, right? I've had so much people come to me and say, hey, this program seems like it's too good to be true. And I tell people all the time, why is it too good to be true? Or why is it too good to be true to be nice to people or to actually care about people? What kind of fucked up world are we living in where it's too good to be true to be human, to be kind?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Yeah.
All right, so Kathy, don't worry, sweetheart.
Thank you.
You can thank me all you want, but I'm not the one that deserves the thanks. You know who deserves the thanks? The person that invited you in here. The person that spoke to you, reached out to you, connected with you. Those are my Satorians. Those are the ones that's actually doing everything that they can to make sure that the world is a better place. And the only way that the world can become a better place is if this ripple effect that we're having, this positive energy, passing it around, if we can make this continue.
Thank you.
Guys,
very much.
one last time, let me hear the freedom roar!
It was worth staying up all night.